Hey guys, it's Beret from Body Mechanics Orthopedic Massage. Today we're going to talk about picking the right foam roller for your needs. There are lots of different options to pick from, and how do you know you're getting the right one? We have a variety to pick from here. This one is fantastic for broad areas of the body. So you're looking at things like legs, arms. One of the nice things about a larger foam roller like this is you can also use this for back mobility by leaning over the back of it. And for that, you would be placing the foam roller on your back on the floor like yay. We love this foam roller and we sell a lot of these in the office. If you are looking to get into smaller places, this is a fantastic option. It is not so great on the floors though. It tends to slide back and forth. So if you're not doing it on carpeting, just be aware of that. But I really prefer this foam roller for getting into places like the glutes. You can really use sort of the rounded edge to massage deeply in. This is a fantastic option if you have places that are a little bit harder to reach. My favorite one for travel is this one. If you're a runner and you're doing distance running or trail running, or if you're going to marathons, I highly recommend picking up something like this. One of the great things about this is you can pack it and stuff items, socks, things like that in, so it doesn't really take up that much room in your suitcase. And you get the benefit of having a bigger roller, but in a smaller package. Just be aware, again, because it's narrower, a little bit of stability issue with it. And then the best thing that we can say is wherever you're going, take a ball. It is not perfect, but with the ball you can get into really small areas. You can do actions like this on the floor, and you can roll around it just the same as you would with this. The difference being is, of course, is this one is a product that is designed for it. It's a little bit larger and more expensive, and you can pretty much get this one for free. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks. Have a great day.